Photosynthesis and Cellular Respiration slideshow by me, Lander, from period 5. So on the top left, it is this yellow-looking blob, and then towards the middle, and not quite yet the middle, it is this green circle with lines in it, and towards the right, it is this oval-shaped orange thingy with a squiggly line in it. So the arrows that are popping up will mean something in just a moment. So towards the towards the top left, as we're talking about, it is known as the sun. And in the arrow, the sun gives out sunlight energy, which is represented by the arrow. And then it gives sunlight energy to the chloroplast. And then the orange thing is called a mitochondrion, which releases ATP energy. So in both the chloroplast and mitochondrion, it represents chemical in both the chloroplast and mitochondrion, it always has a chemical reaction happening. So the chloroplast helps make photosynthesis, and then the mitochondria helps with cellular respiration. In the chloroplast, it makes many things, and it is also called It also has chlorophyll in it. It will make things such as it also has green pigment. It makes things such as food, sugar, and glucose. All three of those are being made in photosynthesis and in the chloroplast, which are within each other. So the chloroplast gives to the mitochondrion glucose and oxygen, which is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. And the mitochondrion, when it is in cellular respiration, it gives back carbon dioxide and water, which is 6CO2 plus 6H2O. The molecule's product by photosynthesis, and then the molecule's product by cellular respiration. The product of photosynthesis is, as we talked about, is glucose and oxygen, and then the product of cellular respiration is carbon dioxide and water. The molecules needed for product of cellular respiration, and the molecules that are needed for the process of photosynthesis. So on the top, it is can't say the word, but the reactant for cellular respiration, and on the bottom is the reactant for photosynthesis. So in the chloroplast, carbon dioxide and water is being changed into glucose and oxygen. And then in the mitochondrion, where cellular respiration is, glucose and oxygen are being changed into carbon dioxide and water. The energy of sunlight is being used to create potential chemical energy of glucose molecules in the chloroplast, and then the chemical energy of glucose is being converted into ATP energy in the mitochondrion. So in the chloroplast, where photosynthesis is, there is this molecule molecules changing into different molecules too. And then the mitochondrion, where cellular respiration is the same molecules are changing into different molecules too. The release of energy. This is in the ATP where the ATP energy is, there's the release of energy that originates from the sun, which is the ATP energy. From the sun, which is the sunlight from the sun, and the sunlight energy, that is what both animals, the energy both animals and plants need. That's it.